Warning, watching Snap on Friday could cause the following. Increase in Snap on tool purchases. Drastic loss of toolbox space, possibly resulting in the need of a bigger toolbox. Feeling of personal pride and self-worth. Decreased communication with spouse or significant other. Lowered bank account balance. Tool envies from others, especially co-workers. Could cause a possible increase in libido and or increase in testosterone levels. Warnings have not been approved by FDA, FCC, EPA, FBI, FDIC, ASC, DOD, ICE, NATO, FTC, NCIS, or any of the other abbreviations that nobody understands anyway. Extreme caution is advised.
What's up, guys? Today's Friday. That means it's Snap on Friday. Hamilton just pulled up, so let's go see what he's got.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
See you there.
He said, yeah, buddy. Today's national take your dog to work today. Did you know that?
I didn't know that.
He's hoping he can stay at home. He said, man, I do that every day. Ain't nothing special about that. Nothing at all. Nothing at all.
Look at my decent.
He said it feels good in here. You brought the AC machine, huh?
Yeah. No businessman bring my car here where they fix it. I said, if they come out here down and fix it, some bitch this time, so I'm gonna damn flip my lid. I'm go off. I said, you'll be one of them in my damn crosshairs too.
Maybe they'll fix it. Surely the guy between their sniffer and my sniffer, we can figure out where it's working.
They probably won't even bring one.
That's iron. I got one. They ain't got no excuse this time.
Yeah.
I got to do something now. That's a nice set right there. A nice set right there.
That's a bunch of these. I love them. Every time I the transmission lines and the radiators and stuff, one-handed with them.
Really?
Yeah.
Hard to beat that. Well, I know I got to get one of these because Jay said he's going to beat the hell out of me if I didn't bring him one.
Is there one in there?
Yeah. He didn't say that. I'm just messing with you.
How many socks do you want? You wanted long ones, didn't you? Ain't that what you want, or short?
He wants black.
Black?
Yeah. You got any of them?
What size?
Large.
Oh, probably.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Or the short ones, though. It ain't the
That's
long
fine.
ones. Yeah.
He said he didn't carry the one.
How many do you want?
I guess give me 5 pair if you got them. If you got them.
Oh, yeah.
I do like that orange.
You like this?
No, I don't either. Did you get my card in yet?
No. Let's see if it's on the wheel.
Real nice.
You got some half-inch sockets. We got the flank drive Xtra in. Let me show you the difference in the snap-on flank drive, which is already the best socket out there. Don't look like much of a difference, though, does it?
No.
That's flank drive. Here's flank drive Xtra. There's the bolt we're gonna put into it.
Round.
Pretty close to it, ain't it?
Yeah. Well, I'll be darned.
I'll let you do it just so you think that it's, you don't.
That's pretty
I'll hold
awesome.
this while you.
Golly. You wouldn't think it would be that.
Some got a bite on it, don't it?
Man. That right there is pretty awesome. And they don't look no different, do they?
But
What
they
done to them?
They said, I think they made the sides, the flank drive part a little bit deeper And the other ones, you can see they're kind of rounded, where these is more flat and just the corners is dug down or dug in. Where we're catching on the side, well, you still get some that would be wore out or stripped, and that would still wouldn't catch, you know, because the corners is rounded off. So this is a rounded off boat. It doesn't have everything on there. Well, this don't catch nowhere near the corners. It's catching pretty much right in the middle.
Oh yeah, you can see it right there.
Yep. Compared to this one.
Well, I'll be darned. That is sharp. When you gonna have them in?
I got them.
Oh, you got them?
I got them.
Wow. Those are neat. I like the way they did the
letter's bigger and stuff.
well, I like the way they got that groove on the bottom.
Yeah.
I think it's easier to pull them off a ratchet.
Well, look how big the 1/2 inch is on that compared to the 1/2 inch on this one.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Those are nice. Well, there you guys get to see the new flank drive Xtras. Ain't that what they call them?
Yep.
Yeah, those things are sharp. That is crazy how that works.
That's a rounded off boat right there.
It sure is.
They took it about in there, a circle in it.
Uh-huh.
Wow. All we got them right now is just a chrome, deep and shallow, 6 points. We're working on getting everything else. The other ones are still available. We can still get them too. I'm doubt that they ever go away.
That is crazy how much some things will buy.
If I got 2 sets and I already bought one of the sets for myself.
They are nice. Well, there you guys can see what the package looks like. That is nice. That's amazing how that thing gripped that boat like that.
Yeah.
Amazing. When are you gonna give away the grill?
Draw it either this evening or tomorrow or something.
Need to go ahead and just leave the grill.
Go ahead and leave it
here. Yeah. Ain't no need hauling around. You're gonna come all the way back up here. It'll be bad.
Ready to get another toolbox on here.
Golly. What's that? Let me show y'all what's laying back here on the floor. Oh, look at that. M-word tool on here.
They go trading that junk in.
That's some bad stuff right there. Bad stuff. They still got them 3/8 Bluepoint sets on sale.
As long as I got them, they are. I got 3/8 and quarter probably.
Yeah, that's a hoss right there. Man, that thing right there's got everything in it. $155 pieces. Looks like a 19, 1 inch.
I think 1 inch is the biggest.
Now it goes up to a 24.
Yeah. And the same thing at the shallows too. So you got the whole layout up here, so
Oh yeah.
if you drop it or something. It'd happen sooner or later. Or what's the funniest though, and they've been done on here hundreds of times already, they set it down upside down and they unlatch it and they go
Oh
on
yeah. Yeah, that was what is this set run? Man, that's a really nice set right there. Really nice. It goes up to T55 in Torx. Look at that rust in a truck toolbox.
It shouldn't be grown, but it was warranted anyway.
Against rust?
Yeah.
Really? I'd rather have oily sockets because I had
And rust.
rust.
Good thing about the Bluepoint is that if you lose one, you you're looking at a socket being $5 instead of $35.
$35, that's right. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap it up on here. I'm gonna pay him, and then we'll show you guys what we got. Y'all stick around. All right, guys, as you've seen, Hamilton had a good bit of stuff on the truck today, so let me show you what all we got, and we'll go through it real quick. I picked this up for a buddy of mine. It's a 15-inch monster wrench extender, the same one as I got last week. That part number is MST895. I did a video on this, so be sure to go up here and check that card out, because this thing is awesome. I got some more snap-on socks for the same guy, and that way he'll have some nice comfy feet. The next thing I bought is, of course, all you guys probably know that my favorite ratchet is the lock-in flex head by Snap-on. I did a video on that explaining why I like it. I'll put a card up here to that one. The comfort grip is the one that's my favorite ratchet, and I decided today to buy the non-comfort grip version of this. It's the FX80. So be sure to check that video out if you haven't watched it, because it explains why this is my favorite ratchet. All right, the next thing I bought was part number BLPGSSC155. And that is the Bluepoint set. I got this to go in my truck, and it has got a ton of stuff in it. I'll probably have to bring the camera over here to show you guys everything that's in it. So let me grab that and I'll show you what all it's got. All right, here's the case. As you can see, it's pretty massive. And here's what it's got in it. It goes from a 3/8 up to a 1-inch deep, and then a 10mm up to a 24mm deep. Shallow 6mm to a 24mm, and then a 1/4 inch up to a 1-inch, 4mm, all the way up to 14mm. That's gonna be 1/4 inch, and a 3/16 and 9/16, and it goes down to some little bitty tiny stuff, 4mm, and then over here it's 3/16. That's on the bottom. Show you guys what's in here. It's got a 5/8 spark plug, a 13/16 spark plug. It's got hex bits from a 7 to a 10, and then a T40 to a T55. Several screwdriver tips and bits, extensions, ratchets, wobbles, and a breaker bar. So this was a really nice set. I think it'll come in super handy to have in my pickup. And right there is the part number again. It's the 155-piece 1/4 and 3/8 drive general service set. All right, guys, that's my video for today. I hope you guys liked it. If so, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.